Got a mailbag, mostly black, small packages. I have no idea what's in any of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're all empty. We'll see. I think there's 8. Alright, first package. This is a resistor. Alright, these are some metal film resistors. I just bought an assortment of metal film resistors. I don't know what the percentage is. I don't know if they're 1% or not. But I didn't have any metal film. This is resistant. I think I know what this is. It's Kapton. Yes, this is, I'm guessing 10 millimeter. Maybe 10 millimeter Kapton tape. So I got some different lengths. I already have a roll of this really thin stuff. This is 2 millimeter, I think. So I got some 10 millimeter. I think I might have also ordered some 5 millimeter or something like that. Oop. Doesn't say. Okay, these are lure lock tips, but these are supposedly flexible. Oh, don't flex them too much; they break the glue. Yeah, so instead of stainless steel, they are plastic. Interesting. I don't know why I got these. I thought they might be useful for something. I don't know. I've never seen them before. So I bought some of those. They just, instead of metal tips, they have plastic tips. I don't know. And they're a little flexible. Seems like when you flex them, you feel some of the glue cracking. I'm not sure if that's just in the base or around it. So. Real-time clock module. This is a RTC module. It's an all-in-one RTC module. I'm not sure what it's based on. It's I2C, and looks like they are DS1307Z. Got a big hunk of, oh, that's for the tab. It's got like a footprint for a transistor right there. I wonder what that's for. Data select. All right. To our RTC module. I got this so I can put it on an ESP project and maybe use it to keep time and maybe wake it up. I don't know if it's got a timer on it. No, probably not. It's I2C. It probably doesn't have a timer on it. Micro switch, tact switch. Okay, these are those little side. These are SMD side 90-degree side mount switches. These probably like the ones on D1, the Wemos D1 Mini. That's what I was looking for. Just so tiny though. Jeez. And there's looks like maybe a little more than 10, maybe 20, 15 or 20. Mini slide switch. Alright, more SMD switches. These are right angle. No, these are, yeah, these are right angle side mounted slide switches. So power switches on off. So I add these to my switch collection. So I have some side mount push buttons and side mount side switches. Oh, another tact switch. No wonder why these are all tiny bags. I had a feeling they were all SMD things. These are rotary encoders? No, these are those D. These are those D switches. D pads, I think. Yeah, so they go. These are those four-way switches. My fingernails look dirty. They're not. That's blood underneath it. I sliced underneath my fingernail, opening shrink wrap on a bottle. The heat shrink hard plastic. Went to open it and it went right under my nail and sliced the whole thing open. Yeah, look. It's blood, not dirt. That hurts. Getting cut under your fingernail hurts really bad. Up, down, left, right. So it's a little four-way D switch, D-pad. I don't know what kind of shaft that is, or if you can get caps for it or not. Here's that RTC. Some of those switches. The push buttons. And I think that is everything. Yep, that's everything. So, till next time.